Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my first cooking video, and today we are making party jollof rice the Nigerian way. So I already blended my pepper, fresh tomato and onions already, and I boiled it and I got that paste which is in the bowl. Chopped some onions. One secret to having a very good jollof rice is lots of onions, trust me. This is a very good hack. So the blended mixture of everything which I boiled is in the bowl, and we can start cooking. This oil was from the meat and fish that I fried. So today I am using this Gino sachet tomato. I would normally use the tin one, but this one works as well, so you may as well as use this one or the other one. Make sure you give this a very good fry, because sometimes if you don't fry it well, it may be sour. My chicken stock on the This basmati rice, this seller basmati rice is always my rice of choice. I usually prefer to use this because the result is usually good, but any other rice, long grain rice, I think it's perfect. So just go ahead and wash the rice until the water is clear. So I'm going to use this one to cover the rice and then just let it cook again. Jollof rice is done. Go ahead and serve it with this. So the pot, this is the outcome. Unfortunately,